Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a new Halloween inspiration video with Debbie. So for today's makeup, she made this mouth eye makeup for us. If you want to know how you can create a lovely makeup like this one, please keep watching because we will show you step by step in this video. Before starting this video, Debbie quickly sketched out the design on her skin. This is done with a pencil liner. And now we continue to coloring these mouths that are replacing Debbie's eyes. The pink you see her using at this point is the Diamond Effects pink face paint. It is a water-based face paint and we use this to color the gums, of course. Once all the pink is on the skin, we continue to powders. This is a brown powder to create wrinkles on the skin. And it takes a few different shades of brown to create wrinkles. You need the shadow color, you need the highlight color and something in between. A pink eyeshadow powder to create the same depth effect in the gums. And there is the white highlight to finish those wrinkles. On to the teeth, and Debbie colors these white with the Fantasy Effects in White by Maron. So just paint all of them white. So once they're all white, we get a shadow on those teeth as well. That is done with a black eyeshadow powder. Then we have a liquid eyeliner. This is a black one. You can also use a detail brush with a black by Diamond Effects on there to outline all the teeth. And once they all have an outline, it is time to fill the space between the teeth. And this is basically black because we want our eyes to disappear, of course. And with that, our mouth eye makeup tutorial for today is done. So as you can see, it is amazing to look at and it wasn't that difficult to create. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all the videos we upload to this channel.